I'm Carissa Miller. I'm with Pacific Geosource. I'm a national account manager, so I work with owners, consultants, engineers to help build better pavements. Forta-Fi is a high tensile strength fiber blend used in various applications to extend pavement design life. It's a three-dimensional reinforcement system in the pavement, so rather than a two-dimensional reinforcement system, it's throughout the mix of the asphalt, top to bottom. It helps reinforce that pavement in every which direction. So Forta-Fi is used in both maintenance and new construction applications, and Forta-Fi is used to deter future maintenance needs. However, it's also used in new construction applications to also extend pavement design life. All pavements really fail in tension, and Forta-Fi is really going to help in all of those different instances. Forta-Fi is a minimal upfront increase cost for roughly about 50% life extension.
Hi, my name is Fred Coleman. I'm the Director of Operations in Chicago for Rose Paving. We are a national provider of parking lot and pavement solutions throughout the entire country.
Kuehne+Nagel's use is just extremely heavy. They have trailers coming in starting at 4 in the morning and not stopping until 11 o'clock at night. So they're just waiting for one in, one out. They're moving these trucks in and out as quick as possible. So they're having to cut those angles a lot harder, and that just tears up the asphalt.
Actually, they were able to shut down for one day just for us to do this project. A place like this, they don't shut down. If they're not letting trucks in, they're losing money. If they're losing money, it doesn't make sense. But you still have to maintain their driving surface and their loading docks, or else it will start to fall apart, deteriorate, and then they have bigger problems. We incorporated the Forta-Fi into the surface course, paved that on a Sunday. If we'd done concrete, they would have had to lose areas or portions of their truck dock. If we'd phased it, it would have probably been a 2, 3, 4 week project with cure time. Plus, they wouldn't have been able to turn trucks around, would have affected their business.